In the previous lectures, we talked a little about HTML and CSS, and we said that both of them are for creating websites. One of them, which is HTML, is for creating the content of a web page, and the other, which is the CSS, is for modifying the appearance of the content that we have created. Even though there are a lot more features in both HTML and CSS, instead of just telling you about every command in or every tag in CSS and HTML by an example, what we are going to do is to make it more practical and be more familiar with both HTML and CSS by creating a website, which is the purpose of this course. So as the name of this course suggests, it's about creating an online casino. So we are going to create a website about that. Our end game would be to create some pages. One of them is the index HTML. So when the user types the IP address of our website or writes the domain name related to this IP address, he would be redirected to the index.html, to this main page. So this page would be a page which talks about what this website is about, what games you could play in this website, and other things. Another page, which is an important page in most websites, is a sign-up form, which the users could register and then use it to log into their account, and after they have registered, they would be able to play. So the other pages, other than the main page and the sign-up, are for playing. For example, we may offer some games like the roulette game or crash game or other kind of games, or betting about the soccer, football, or other things. So based on how many games we want to offer, we would have different pages. So at least we would have one web page maybe about the roulette game or crash game. So the index, the main page, the sign up form, or maybe the login also, and also some pages about the playing. We would be creating all of these things using the HTML and CSS, and then as we go along for the graphics of this web page, and then when we go along, we would want to make these web pages more dynamic about the, for example, sign up and login, how the users could be registered into our website. So we would add more codes from the programming languages like PHP to our codes. But from the graphical point of view, we could say that we would create these web pages that I just explained using the HTML and CSS, so you could understand every feature, every important feature and tag in both CSS and HTML by creating a website which would be more practical. See you in the next lectures.